Hey friends, Mr. Ray here. This week we're going to revisit underhand throwing and underhand rolling. Today we're going to be practicing our underhand rolling towards our bowling pins or water bottles. Can't wait to show you how to play. The equipment you're going to need is very simple. 2 sock balls and 6 empty plastic bottles. Make sure they're empty because if they're full, it's going to be much more challenging to not remember when we underhand throw or underhand roll, we have to establish our dominant hand. We're going to be doing our tick-tock motion. Remember, you're going to step with your non-dominant leg, swinging your arm back in our tick-tock motion, and you're going to release. Now, we're going to focus on rolling for this activity, not underhand. Before I roll these 2 sock balls towards our empty water bottles, I have my blue line established, my distance line, which is 6 feet away. Before I'm able to roll, I'm going to do 5 ski jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to roll with my dominant hand. Remember, step forward with your non-dominant leg, and you're going to roll. Mr. Ray got 0 points. Let's try again. Mr. A knocked down all 6 of our empty water bottles or bowling pins. So I have 6 points. When you're done with your first turn, you're going to retrieve your 2 sock balls and you're going to reset your bowling pins. When we reset our bowling pins, we need to have 3 empty water bottles in the back, 2 in the front, and 1 right at the point, making a nice triangle. Try your best. Remember our tick-tock motion. When we're not underhand throwing, we're going to be underhand rolling. It is the same motion. Good luck and have fun.